stick in your mind, override everything else?
Yeah, definitely. You know, that's probably the highest I have had as a Husky in my career here, and you know, my lows will stick in my head too. You know, I never forget what I go through. That's what make me the player I am. That's what make me try and make me strong. You know, remembering what I went through and where I don't want to go back to. So, you know, everything about my college career will help me in my future.
I'm so glad you came back this year.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, you grew in.
Yeah, I'm 100% happy with my decision to coming back to school. I think I've accomplished a lot. I didn't accomplish the ultimate goal, which was getting to the tournament and winning another championship, but I think I have, whatever I'm perceiving, rise, risen, growth, whatever it is, my stock. You know, I think I proved to everybody that I can be a point guard at a high level. I think that I led this team pretty well, the best that I could, and you know, I brought as many wins as possible, you know, to the team, man. And I'm glad I came back to school for my last year.